लताज इंडियन कुकिंग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। यहाँ पर अभी वेकेशंस चल रहे हैं, तो मेरे पोते और पोती ने अपनी मनपसंद डिश बनाई है, तो उनका वीडियो मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। आप उनका वीडियो अंत तक जरूर देखिए। आशा रखती हूँ कि आपको और आपके बच्चों को उनका वीडियो पसंद आएगा और आपके कमेंट्स शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।
Hi guys, I'm Ishani and today I'm gonna make a burger. So I'm gonna show you how to make a burger if you don't know. So let me start now. But before I start, I have white sauce, lettuce, then shredded cheese, then some corn, then some green lettuce more, and then some cucumber, and then some peat. If you want some tomato, you can, but if you want some tomato sauce too, you can put it inside. I'm going to use the tomato sauce. So let's start now. First, the patty. Actually, first we are going to put white sauce. So if you want a butter knife, to spread it, it's okay. If you want a spoon, it's still fine. I'm going to use the butter knife. The rubble is now I have put it on the top, this side and the other side. I have put it on both sides, you can see. Now I'm going to put the patty back in. You can do whichever side you want. So I'm going to do the back side. Then we have to do first tomato sauce. First on top, I'm going to put some tomato sauce. Okay, that's enough. So now we can put some cabbage in. Then some shredded cheese. And then we had to put 2 slices cheese. So you can see I've done one cheese on one side. Now let's put the other cheese on the other side. So now you see I've done the cheese on this side and the other side. So now let's put the corn in. Now let's put the lettuce. Okay, now you can see the lettuce is on. Now let's put the cucumbers. And if you can have how much cucumbers or anything you want. But you can get how much cucumbers you want. Then, now it's finished. Now we are going to turn this on top of this. And now we're going to turn one side to the other. It's fine if anything falls off because it's still tricky to that. And now you can see the burger is ready and nice. And if you eat it, it's gonna be yummy. Bye. Now my grandma will cut the burger because it's sharp for me. Now if you want to do it at half quarters, because I'm going to do it in a half quarters, if you want, you can, or you can do it in half, like I was before. So look, now it's nice and yummy. And it's going to be yummy. It will say if you want more, just follow the ingredients again. Bye. Hello everyone, my name is Vivan and today I'm going to make a burger. So you have to firstly you have to prepare for the burger. I have some shredded cheese, some lettuce. You can make it in any size you want. Some cabbage. I've got a little corn because I don't like it too much with it. I have some white sauce. You will have to prepare it with butter, flour, milk and salt and pepper. I've also got some cucumbers and I've got a pastry. They will come in a frozen packet, so you'll have to heat them in the microwave. Now, let's start making a burger. Firstly, we will spread our white sauce onto both of our burger slices. It depends on how much you want. If you like it a lot, you can put more. And if you don't like it too much, you can put less. Now we're going to add the pastry. It depends on what side you want. I'll put it on my left side. Now let's start adding our vegetables. Firstly, I'll put some cheese. I like it a lot, so I'm going to put more. You may like it less, so you may put less cheese. I like it a lot, so I'll put a little more. Now, I'll add my cabbage. You may like to spread the vegetables evenly. And now let's add the last two ingredients. And now let's add the last ingredient, which is some corn. Now we'll put one slice of the burger onto the other. Now our homemade burger is ready. It's very yummy and it's very easy to make. You may not like it to eat it full, so you can ask an adult to cut this into half or quarters. Thank you. Bye-bye.